Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have an open collab and it's called Mother's Day Pink and Glitz Tablescape or Tabletop. It's a yearly open collab and is hosted by Really Good Living. So the co-hostesses are I Style My Style, Chantel Gregg, My Style My Colors, Creations by Simone, and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. The rules of the collab were pretty easy. They were to create a tablescape, a brunch table. You could do a tea party or a tabletop for Mother's Day. They were to include at least 3 items that were pink and 1 or more glitzy and glam colors. I absolutely love that. You could also use food and make a brunch. All of that was optional, but let's jump into the video. I will be linking the playlist and the channels to the hosts, Really Good Living, and the co-hostesses. Please head on over there, subscribe to our channels, and enjoy all of our videos along with the playlist. So what I decided to do is make my own chargers to go with the centerpiece at the end of the video. So we're going to be doing a DIY, a decorate with me. We're going to be setting the table, and then we're going to have the glam reveal of the centerpiece for the table. So what I did is I took 2 of the silver chargers from the Dollar Tree and then I trimmed the end of the charger with this pink glitter. So what we did was 1 layer of the Mod Podge, the glitter, and then we seal that in with the Mod Podge again. So what I didn't get a chance to show at the end was after I was done with the glitter portion and the Mod Podge and sealing everything in, I just thought it was missing one other thing. So what I did was I took some rose mesh and I ran it around the inside of the charger, and that gave it a finished look. So I hope you enjoy the video. So this is